Fifth grade, chapter 1, lesson 9, problem solving, multiplication, and division. Unlock the problem. Mark works at an animal shelter to feed 9 dogs. Mark empties 18-ounce cans of dog food into a large bowl. If he divides the food equally among the dogs, how many ounces of food will each dog get? Use the graphic organizer below to help you solve the problem. So what do I need to find? I need to find... What do I need, right, guys?
How much ounce dog get?
Okay, so the number of ounces each, correct, the number of ounces each dog will get. What information do I need to use? I need to use the number of cans of food the number of ounces in each can and the number of dogs that will need to be fed. How will I use the information? I can multiply to find the total number of ounces. Then I can solve a simpler problem to divide that total by 9. To solve the problem, it says first multiply to find the total number of ounces of dog food. So they told us 8 times 18. So over to the side, we worked out 18 times 8 and got 144. Then, to find the number of ounces each dog gets, I'll need to divide 144 divided by 9. So they said to find the quotient, I break 144 into 2 simpler problems to make it easier to divide. So they broke 144 into 90 and 54, and then they took 90 divided by 9 and got 10. They took 54 divided by 9 and got 6, so 10 plus 6 is 16. So each dog gets 16 ounces of food. Try another problem. Michelle is building shelves for her room. She has a plank 137 inches long that she wants to cut into 7 shelves of equal length. The plank has jagged ends, so she will start by cutting 2 inches off each end. How long will each shelf be? Read the problem. What do I need to find? We said how long the size of 7 equal length shelves will be. What information do I need to use? That there are 7 equal shelves, that the total is 137 inches, and then she's going to cut off 4 inches total because there was 2 from each end of the board. How will I use the information? We will subtract 137 minus 4 and then divide that answer by 7. So over here in our solve the problem, we took 137 minus 4 equals 133. Then we did our next step, 133 divided by 7. And to make it into smaller problems, we broke 133 into 70 and 63. So then to break that down even further, we said 70 divided by 7 equals 10. And then 63 divided by 7 equals 9. So then, of course, we add those 2 answers together of 10 plus 9, and we got 19. So each shelf will be 19 inches long. Sharon showed to make concrete mix, Monica pours 34 pounds of cement, 68 pounds of sand, and 14 pounds of small pebbles, and 19 pounds of large pebbles into a large wheelbarrow. She pours the mixture into 9 equal-sized bags. How much will each bag weigh? First, find the total weight of the mixture. So we said 34 plus 68 plus 14 plus 19 would be 135 pounds. Then divide the total by the number of bags. Break the total into 2 simpler numbers to make the division easier if necessary. So we took 135 divided by 9, and we broke it into 90 and 45. Then we broke that down even further, and 90 divided by 9 equals 10, and 45 divided by 9 equals 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So each bag will weigh 15 pounds. Number 2, what if Monica pours the mixture into 5 equal bags? How much will each bag weigh? So we underline the 5 equal pound bags and then each bag weigh. And over to the side, we took 135 divided by 5. And we broke 135 into 100 and then also 35. So then we took 100 divided by 5 and got 20. And then we took 35 divided by 5 and got 7. So we then added 20 plus 7 to get 27 pounds. Taylor is building doghouses to sell. Each doghouse requires 3 full sheets of plywood, which Taylor cuts into new shapes. The plywood is shipped in bundles of 14 full sheets. How many doghouses can Taylor make from 12 bundles of plywood? So over here to the side, we said that we would take 12 times 14, and we got 168. 168 then would need to be divided by 3. So we broke 168 into 150, and then also 18. So then we broke those down even further and took 150 divided by 3, which got us 50. We took 18 divided by 3, which got us 6. So 50 plus 6 equals 56 doghouses. Eileen is planting a garden. She has seeds for 60 tomato plants, 55 sweet corn plants, and 21 cucumber plants. She plants them in 8 rows, with the same number of plants in each row. How many seeds are planted in each row? So over to the side, we said that we would add 60 plus 55 plus 21 to get 136. Then 136 divided by 8. We broke 136 into 80 and 56. Then we further went 80 divided by 8 equals 10. And 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So 10 plus 7 equals 17.